Use insecticidal dusts in attic voids only when you choose products labeled for home use and follow precise application steps to minimize inhalation and risky exposure. When treating attic voids for rodents and crawling insects, pick dusts specifically labeled for consumer use, such as Silica Aerogel-based products where they are legal, rather than professional-only actives like certain pyrethroids or organophosphates. Read the label start to finish, and treat the label as the law for how much to apply where and how to protect yourself. Load a hand duster sparingly and puff the dust into cracks behind insulation and along runways instead of broadcasting across open attic floors. Aim for a thin, even coating that will adhere to insect cuticle or rodent fur without creating visible clouds. Wear a properly fitted respirator with particle filters, gloves, and eye protection, and keep household members and pets out of the house until dust has settled and any required re-entry interval has passed. Avoid placing dust on exposed ductwork or in locations where it can fall into living spaces or onto heating registers. If the product label restricts use to licensed applicators or lists active ingredients you do not recognize, stop and hire a professional certified to work with those chemistries to reduce legal and health risks. Common mistakes include over-application, which creates airborne dust and increases inhalation risk. The fix is measure the duster load and apply multiple light passes instead of dumping large amounts. Another issue is using professional-only actives or misreading labels. If you are unsure, stop and consult the product label or a licensed applicator before proceeding. Third is applying dust, where it will migrate into living spaces through vents or leaks. Avoid ductwork, seal attic openings leading to conditioned space, and use targeted placements confined to voids and behind barriers. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around home improvement needs, including attic pest control and product choice discussions. And we help people find local contractors and contractors find work. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals share practical advice on safe dust application, product alternatives, and when to hire a pro.